Hey guys, back by popular demand. Here's another round of the top products for the month outside of that Nutra niche. We love Nutra, but there are plenty of other types of products that convert on ClickBank. We know, we're here, we see them. Don't you argue with me, okay? At number 5, we got Rocket Languages. It was hitting number 1 last month, but it's still a top 5 offer outside the health and fitness space on ClickBank, and here's why you should get it. This is a classic product on ClickBank's marketplace that's been around for a while, but that doesn't mean it's not a good one. It has several popular online language learning courses, including Spanish, French, Italian, German, and more. It is in the same space as a Duolingo or a Rosetta Stone, and I'm not kidding, it is great. This offer was closed to new affiliates for a while, which is one of the reasons its numbers are so high. We're talking an average payout of nearly $90 and a conversion rate of over 9%, which is actually up from last month's crazy 8% conversion rate, which is just crazy. So best of all, it's open again now and it's converting great on organic. If you're up for it and you got that traffic of good organic SEO listicle sites, that's what you should go after. It's amazing. EPC, $7.12, an average payout value of $87.83, a hop conversion rate of 9.02%. If you match that traffic, holy crap, this is a banger and you should be promoting it. And it's a great language learning tool, period. It is really good, cannot recommend it enough. And if you're like, I don't have the traffic, just use it and learn some languages. Go, promote it. In spot number 4, it's Ted's Woodworking. This is an OG woodworking offer on ClickBank that continues to be a top seller after I don't know how many years. It has an irresistible hook. I mean, crap, like who wouldn't want to work with wood and build a table? Like seriously, we should build a table. We should have a bigger table than this. If you could ever think this would be the offer for you, or you just want to build tables, head over to the ClickBank marketplace and check out their listing. Because right now, Ted's Woodworking is seeing the most success on Facebook, email, and native ads. It's killing it. And the EPC, 97 cents. Average payout value, $72. Hop conversion rate, 1.45%. It's amazing. It's a great product. Go, promote it. In spot number 3, we have Billionaire Brainwave because everyone's got billionaires on the brain. This spirituality product is about tapping into brainwaves that can lead to financial abundance, just like a billionaire, because that's what they think about, billions. Affiliates have flocked to this offer because it has such a wide audience. I mean, who wouldn't want to discover the brainwave that makes attracting money easy? It doesn't grow on trees, but it does live in billionaires' brains, so you gotta find it. So for a digital offer, Billionaire Brainwave has an excellent payout of nearly $50. So start promoting it. Let's talk about some stats though. EPC, 47 cents. Average payout value, $48.97, and a hop conversion rate of 1.14%. Now if you're thinking, that's a bit lower than the other ones, and how is this doing better with the lower APV? The people who are seeing the best results are getting a higher conversion rate than that. They're seeing things closer to 2%, especially those who are running organic SEO, email, review, listicles. They're seeing an even crazier one, but it's still doing well on Meta. It's still doing well on YouTube. So go, promote it, and get it. Now we're just gonna take a quick moment and talk about you. Yes, you. No, don't look around. I'm talking to you. Yes, you, Malong, from Gambia. I'm talking to you. I want you to like and subscribe this post. Like, subscribe, and then I want you to just put in a comment. Like, I like his shirt. Something nice, something fresh. Something like that. And for the rest of you not named Malong, do the same thing. Like, why are you waiting for him to do it first? Why does he always have to like and subscribe before you do? Why are you putting that burden on Malong? Also, click this post right here because I pointed to it. Not you, Malong, everybody else. In spot number 2, we have the ever strong Pineal XT. I had to finish that because otherwise we would get totally deranked on YouTube. While Pineal XT is a dietary supplement, it's primarily a spirituality and manifestation offer focused on a formula designed to boost the pineal gland. The team behind Pineal XT says the pineal gland can help awaken your third eye, and that's the most I've ever said pineal ever in my life. In the broader funnel for Pineal XT, customers can get free shipping and 2 bonuses if they order more than 1 bottle, including the top 5 manifestation methods and awaken your psychic powers, because you gotta open your third eye, man. So this is a unique opportunity to market a dietary supplement to a spirituality and manifestation audience. which means it has an impressive average payout and over $1 earnings per click. So you got to get to the marketplace and start promoting right now because, yeah, amazing. So let's talk about those stats. EPC, $1.07, average payout value, $153.65, and a hop conversion rate of 0.80%, which this is a manifestation offer that is killing it like a Nutra offer. It's awesome. Go promote it because it's working on all traffic sources. Coming from the team behind Billionaire Brainwave, the Genius Wave is all about catching that wave, bruh. You gotta shred that ocean, bro, and think like a genius, bruh. So similar to other wave products, this is a digital product with a very strong conversion and a healthy average payout. It works well with all kinds of traffic sources, including paid media, email, listicles, SEO. It's amazing. So head to the marketplace, check it out, and shred that ocean philosophical, psychological, astrological, manifestationological ocean, brah. So EPC, $1.72. Average payout value, $53.73, and a hop conversion rate of 3.96%. Dang, that is like, bruh, amazing. Go reach out to Kyle right now. Type in the comments, Kyle, where can I promote this? What is it like? Where do you live, Kyle? Those types of questions, and he'll answer all of them truthfully, honestly, earnestly. Okay, guys, that's a wrap on the top 5 non-Nutra offers on ClickBank for April, outside of health and fitness, of course. So thank you so much for joining us. Drop your questions, your insights in the comments. As always, we appreciate you watching you. Yes, you. Hit that like and subscribe button to stay in the loop on all ClickBank top offers. So we'll see you next month, and go make some bank, y'all.